Hello everyone, it's good to have you join me today. It's another time with the Enthusiastic Tutor. Today we'll be taking the course MTH 105 and we're taking the topic equation of a line and slope. With this being said, let's hop right into it. That's it. First thing foremost, we need to have in mind the formula for calculating point and equation of a line and slope as well. So equation, we have formula. So we have slope and we have equation of line. We have this and we have this is the equation, this is the formula for slope and equation of a line. So we'll be using this to solve some examples, some illustrations. um, I hope this has been taken noted of. So let's plug this in into our solving a question. So to solve this, we'll be using let's divide the board. Then we have points. Then we have the equation. I hope this is clear enough. So we have for the points, we have 8, we have 10, we have 3, we have 5. For the we have 2, we have 6. So the next thing to do, as we have identified this, then for the equation, the formula for the equation equals m y equals mx plus c, and for the point we have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So with this being said and done, equation equals y equals mx plus c. So this is our equation. Then we can say x1 and y1. So we have our y as 6 equals m is unknown. We have our x as 2 plus c. So we have two unknown factors, which are m and c. So to get our m and our c, they will come to the point where we then say m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here is our x1, our y1, our x2, our y1. Then we plug this in, then we have y2 is y2, not y1. Y2 is 5 minus y1, which is 10. So we have x2, which is 3 minus x1, which is 8. Then we have 5 minus 10 minus 5. We have 3 minus 8 gives us minus 5. So minus cancel minus. So we have our m, okay, let me just write it here, m equals 1. Um, we have our m equals 1. This is the formula y2 minus y1, and x2 minus x1. So we have the y2 here, we have the y1, which is this, we have it here, we have the x2, which is this, we have it here, we have x1, which is 8, we have it here. So this is a positive 5, and this is a negative 10, positive 3, and a negative 8. So we have minus 5, minus cancel minus, then we have 5 divided by 5, gives also 1. So we have our m, which is 1. So we can plug it in here. So we have 1 here. So to get our c, the unknown, we may say c, then we have 6 equals 1 into bracket 2 plus c, which is equals 6 is equals to 2 plus c. So we have c equals, this is the unknown, then we make it the subject, which is this, we bring it here. So this, we bring this forward. I think that should, I think I'm losing my marker. So c, which is known, we make it the subject, we have c equals, we bring this 6 down, then this equals negative. So we have c equals, there's a positive 6, and this is negative 2, so we have 4. So now we have our c as 4, our c as 4. So we have the equation will then be equation equals y equals our m, which is 1, x plus 4 as our final answer. We have our equation all sorted out. So that brings us to the end of equation, to the end of example 1. Then we move to the next example. Example 2, we have so solution, divide the board into 2. We have our equation. For now, we'll leave that. Then we have our points, which are point A, 8 and 2. Point B, we have 12 and 10. So we have x1. Okay, let me just do the formula quickly. M equals y2 minus y1. And we have x2 minus x1. So we have, this is x1, we have y1, we have x2, we have y2. So we have our m equals y2, which is 10, minus y1, which is 2. And we have our x2, which is 12, minus x1, which is 8. Okay, equals, this is 8, give us 4. So we have 4. So our m equals 4. So to get the equation, we can either go for any of these. So let's go for A. Let's go for point A. Yeah, let's go for point A. And we have equation, we have y equals mx plus c. So we take from A, point A, then our y is then 2 equals m is 4 into bracket x, which is 8, plus c. Now we are solving for the unknown, which is c. So 2 equals 4. 2 equals 8 in 4 places. That should be 36 plus c. 32. So 2 added plus c. So we make c the subject. So we have 32 minus 2, which equals 30. So we have our c equals 30. So just gonna let me just solve it here. So I don't get to erase everything. So we have for the equation, then we say y equals m is 4, and we have x plus 30. So as a final answer, and I can write here boldly y equals 4x plus 30. So as a final answer, equation example 2, illustration 2 solved. So move to the next illustration. Solution, we have divide. Oh God. Divide the board. So we have equation, then we have points, so we have for points, we have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have x1, y1, x2, y1. So we have 0, y2, we have 0 minus 3, and we have 6 minus 0. This should give us 3, and it should give us 6. So we have, should bring this down, this should give us 1, should give us 2. So we have our m, we reduce the fraction, so we have 1 over 2. So we can come here to the equation where we have y equals mx plus c. Then we're taking from this. So we have y equals 0 equals 1 over 2 into bracket x, which is 6 plus c. So we have 0 equals, this is 1 times 6 over 2 times 1 plus c. So we have 0 equals 6 divided by 2, and this gives us 3 plus c. So we have 0 equals 3 plus c. So I'll just move over here. So we have 0 equals 3 plus c. We see the subject, so we have 3 minus 0 gives us 3. So we have our c as 3. So we may say, just erase this. So to plug this in, I have y equals m is 1 over 2 x plus 3, and that gives us the final answer. And I believe this is clear enough. This brings us to the end of today's class. It has all to do with slopes and parallel. I believe we understand the concept. It's all about the concept. The questions can be arranged, can come in different form, but the most important thing is for you to get the concept, and as much as you understand the concept, then it makes the calculation easy for you. Work, something we can, in our leisure time, just work on. So we have home, work. It's going to be 1. find the equation of the line passing through 8 and 6 and parallel lines joining the points 4 and 5, 6 and 10. So thank you very much, guys. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. So I look forward to see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.